Writing a business proposal. What is a business proposal and how to write a business proposal that wins contracts? Today's business landscape is increasingly competitive, and with so many startups launching their own products and services, it can be tough to stand out from the crowd. However, there's one strategy that's guaranteed to help you get noticed by new clients: writing a business proposal. But not all proposals are created equal, and even those that start off strong can quickly lose their edge if the author doesn't know how to write one correctly. So, why you need a business proposal? A business proposal is a document used to sell your services to a potential client. It should be clear, concise, and persuasive. A well-written business proposal can help you win contracts and grow your business. Here's what you need to know about writing proposals that win contracts. A business proposal is your chance to introduce yourself and your company as credible, competent professionals. It's also an opportunity for you to position yourself as an expert in your field who can solve your clients' problems and make their lives easier. Good proposals are persuasive without being pushy or self-promotional. The goal of your business proposal is clear communication. You want to give the reader the sense that they're the most important person in the world right now. Your business proposal should answer these 5 questions: who are you? What do you do? Why will it work? What's the next step? And when can we start? A good business proposal starts with a summary paragraph that tells readers why they'll find this document compelling, followed by supporting paragraphs explaining how your company will meet their needs. The project plan is where you describe what you'll do, and by when. Keep in mind that there are different types of business proposals and different ways you can organize your information. The project plan may be part of a more general business proposal, or it may be presented separately in addition to one or more other documents. To learn how to organize your project plan, check out our guide on how to write an effective project management business proposal. The structure of your business proposal. 1. The cover letter. This is where you introduce yourself and your company. 2. The executive summary. This is a brief overview of your company and what you are proposing. 3. The body of the proposal. This is where you get into the nitty-gritty details of your proposal. 4. The budget. This is where you outline the costs associated with your proposal. 5. References. Any third parties or client testimonials you wish to include in your business proposal should be included here. 6. Optional items. Thesis, project proposals. How to write a project proposal. Some proposals may require additional materials like a thesis or project proposals. These items should be attached as an appendix to the business proposal document and labeled accordingly. Common mistakes in writing business proposals. 1. Not doing your research. Before you start writing your business proposal, you need to know who your customer is, what they want, and why they would want to buy from you. 2. Failing to sell yourself and your company. In your business proposal, you need to convince the reader that you and your company are the best choice for the job. 3. Not having a clear structure. A well-organized business proposal will have a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. The first paragraph should be an attention grabber, the second paragraph should present your background or experience in this area, and the third paragraph should present how you can solve their problem. The following 3 paragraphs should provide more details about how you solve their problem in more detail and explain why this is important to them as a customer. The next paragraph should address concerns or objections they might have about working with you, followed by how this project benefits them in return for their investment of time or money into it.